Howdy folks, Russell here, back in the shop today. I've been away for a couple of weeks. I hate that, but I've had some family demands that I've had to step up, take care of my mom a little bit, while some issues has been going on, so I've been pretty much completely pulled away from coming to the shop, doing anything interesting or fun, but I'm still here. I still want to make videos and show things to all of you fine people. So today, I had a day away, and that was pretty good. So I come down here, and I finished a project that I had started several weeks ago, or a couple of weeks ago, or some weeks ago. It's kind of hard to remember details a little bit right now, but anyway, here I am, and here's my video for today. So I have completed another nopestick. That's what I have done. So this is the one right here. Let's see. Let me back up. See if I can't get a better show of the thing. Okay, here we are. So here we are. The paint is still wet. The glue is still drying. The stain is still staining. But here we got. Okay, so there's my newest nopestick. Nopestick 2.0, I guess. And yeah, see, we've got a black iron butt on the thing for the occasional swipe here. Nice handle, padded handle for easy handling. And on this one, I was running a little shy on the big blades, so I decided to put two smaller ones on here. And this one, I actually put a belt clip right there, so you can hang it on your belt, or if you have a harness that goes across your back, you can, hang it like Kratos' axe in the newest God of War thing, kind of like that right there. Slide it down on your little hook right there. And so yeah, I like it. I think it's come together pretty good. Like I say, everything on this has got to dry. I'm going to help dry it just a little bit because, my hands are sticking to it just a little bit. So just a little bit of fire, a little bit of MAP gas right there. Don't want to get too much. Some of this is flammable. I don't need to set the whole world on fire. Somebody else's job doing that. But anyway, nopestick 2.0. Got the double head on that one. See if I can back up enough for the whole thing. There we are. So that's pretty good, I think. I would pause if I saw someone, toting this around just a little bit. So there we are. Now with this nopestick, I have enough models now that I can go and open up that Etsy page that I was talking about. And I'm going to try to sell these online. Perhaps there's some movie makers out there somewhere who need a prop. Or, somebody who says, whoa, that is so cool. I want to hang that on my wall. Or what have you. All these and others like it will be available for sale pretty soon on whatever my Etsy page ends up being called. I will put a link in it as soon as I get that managed. So I hope everyone is having a lovely day. I'm having a lovely day. And yeah, everybody just stay cool out there. I'll talk to y'all the next time I get an opportunity. Russell here, signing out.